10 Jujutsu Kaisen moments we can't wait to see in Season 3. Season 3 of Jujutsu. Kaisen throws the gates wide open. With the Culling game, a brutal battlefield where sorcerers from different eras fight, kill, and gamble their lives for points. No mercy, no second chances. At the center of it all stands Yuta Okatsu, on a mission to rack up points and bend the game's cruel rules. Yuta cuts through reincarnated sorcerers with terrifying efficiency. And that's when he gets noticed. Takako Uro sees his potential and decides to test it. But the chaos doesn't stop there. Drawn by the sheer intensity of the fight, Ryu Ishigori crashes the battlefield, turning everything into a deadly three-way war. Each fighter hunts for weaknesses. Each strike pushes them closer to the edge. Until it happens, domain expansion's unleashed. Power collides with power in one of the arc's most explosive moments. It's Yuta reclaiming his place at the center of the Culling game,